Good afternoon. This is Universal News Media. Today is April 3rd, 2018. People are asking why I didn't make a video yesterday. The reason is because the chemtrailing was so heavy throughout most of Alaska and Canada, but not all, that the skies were milky white and images were just not as clear. The images we will be viewing today are from yesterday when the skies were better. Our first video was viewed from the southeast-facing weather cam in Yugonic Bay, Alaska. There is a planet which has been blurred by technology here, but some contrast helps to bring it into view. These images are definitely showing something three-dimensional and not a two-dimensional flare. From Akiak, Alaska, we see the red rolling planet, but it quickly faded into transparency from the atmospheric chemicals. Here is another camera capturing the red planet again. Notice how the sun's glare reaches downward toward this planet. That's not the sun doing that. Concealment technology is in place which spreads glare onto these celestial objects. We've shown many examples of this in many previous videos. And here it is again, the same planet on the south-facing weather cam in Seward, Alaska. They have increased the chemtrailing in Alaska and Canada, making it more difficult to obtain sharp images of the planets. And again, from the Port Lions southeast-facing camera. The sun looked like this yesterday from the west-facing weather cam in Port Hayden, Alaska. Very, very odd looking. The south-facing weather cam in Shagaluk, Alaska, captured the striped planet on the far left edge of the screen. Notice how fast it is rotating, unlike our sun, which rotates every 27 Earth days, proving that this cannot possibly be a refraction or a reflection of the sun. However, I believe this is a reflection of the planet and not the actual planet that we're seeing. Numerous lenses have been installed out away from the Earth to refract light away from these objects, and some of the planets we see are actually reflecting off these massive lenses, such as the rotating planet we saw 2 days ago, rotating among forest trees, captured on the west-facing weather cam in Chilkat, Alaska, shown here. This is a reflection, yes, but it's a reflection of a rotating planet. I was contacted by someone who knows exactly how these lenses work, and he advised me that this was, in fact, a reflection of the actual planet on one of the lenses built by Bausch & Lomb under contract of NASA. Images of sudden darkness caused by solar eclipses are far too numerous to show here, but I've selected a few. The first one was captured by the southwest-facing weather cam at the Clinton Bleibler Ranch in Alaska. A bright sky suddenly changes dark from one frame to the next on a perfectly cloudless day. The same thing happened in Attawapiskat, Ontario, in Canada a few days ago. Some people may recall seeing this. Only this was not from a planet. Instead, it was a dark nebula between Earth and the black star, partially blocking out the sun for a few hours, but only viewable from some areas in the far north. If anyone is interested, this helium-4 gas cloud is shown and explained in detail on our March 30th video. Notice how dark it is for 2:57 on a cloudless afternoon in Potato Point, Alaska. This is abnormally dark for this time of year. Also, notice how dark it is in cloudless Unalakleet, Alaska. Then, suddenly, everything brightens. And here again, we see the bright landscape suddenly darken with no clouds in sight. And the same thing happens at Scammon Bay, Alaska. And we see it again here in Port San Juan, Alaska. In Port Lions, Alaska, the sky is dark just after 1 p.m. in the afternoon. Then suddenly everything brightens very quickly. These objects we have viewed are part of an approaching celestial system. Many people ask when the system will make its closest pass to our Earth. A general indication of time is provided in the following screens of text. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe.